Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to prepare this balanced breakfast for home or for the office with as little effort as possible. The plant-based overnight oats are loaded with nutritious chia seeds and berries, and it's a great make-ahead breakfast option. Remember to drink water if you eat chia seeds and not to exceed the serving size per adults. We will be preparing the oats in a jar. It has a volume of about 300 milliliters, which is 1 cup and a third. We will begin with preparing the base. Add the blueberries and use a fork to mash the fruits using the side of the jar to press against it. Spread the mashed berries to the sides and the corners. Keep the jar aside. In the second step, we will be preparing the oats. For this, add 3/4 cups oats to a bowl. To this, we are adding a heaped tablespoon of chia seeds. Pour in 1 cup of milk, and if you like, sweeten with syrup or honey. Mix well to combine and let sit for a minute. Stir from time to time. In the last step, we are adding the overnight oats to the berries. Spoon-wise, add the overnight oats to the jar. Press down with the spoon and add another layer. Cover with a lid and set in the fridge overnight or for at least 4 hours to set and soak. In the morning, stir through the mashed berries and top them with yogurt, fresh fruits and nuts to make a satisfying breakfast or meal. I hope you enjoyed my video for super easy overnight oats that are vegan and also gluten-free. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.